So, my dad, he said to not break the rope. So, let's not break the rope because this has a secret. You know, the more you get tight, look, it's perfect. My name. Let's see. So, these are presents. Oh my god, so a lot of paper so to absorb the humidity. That's absolutely amazing. So this is to receive there. Oh my god, look how beautiful. Orange and a pumpkin. Oh my god. Oh my god, and potatoes. Very special. Okay, I'm going to take some lemons here. Okay, this is from my parents' piece. Can you believe it? How wonderful. How wonderful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it. A pumpkin. Can you believe it? Look. It's magical. Oh my god. I am just so happy for this beautiful presents that I just received. Me. How cute is that? I'm so happy. I wish you a wonderful day. Mwah.